Alright guys, Rich from MJ Performance again. Yeah, just thought we'd do a quick video. Me and Martyn have travelled all the way up to just outside of Ringwood to pick up a customer's car. Just thought we'd let you have a look. It's the sort of service that you get from MJ Performance. Don't think many other people would do it. We've driven up for 2 hours to pick this little beauty up. So yeah, it's customer's car that's coming in for a brake upgrade that's going to be rather special. We gave you a teaser of it. Yeah, so we'll show you a bit more when we're on our when we get back to the garage and get the car sorted. Speak to you later. Cheers guys.